to this tutorial on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be balancing the equation for the reaction between sodium and chlorine to form sodium chloride. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. We have sodium plus chlorine gas yielding sodium chloride. Now, let's count the number of atoms on each side of the equation. On the left side, we have one sodium atom and two chlorine atoms. On the right side, we have one sodium atom and one chlorine atom. We can see that the chlorine atoms are not balanced. To fix this, we'll add a coefficient of 2 in front of NaCl on the right side of the equation. Let's recount the atoms to see if our equation is balanced now. On the left side, we still have one sodium atom and two chlorine atoms. On the right side, we now have two sodium atoms and two chlorine atoms. We can see that the sodium atoms are not balanced yet. To fix this, we'll add a coefficient of 2 in front of Na on the left side of the equation. Let's do a final check to make sure our equation is now balanced. On the left side, we have two sodium atoms and two chlorine atoms. On the right side, we also have two sodium atoms and two chlorine atoms. Great! Our equation is now balanced. The final balanced equation is 2 sodium atoms plus 1 chlorine molecule yields 2 sodium chloride molecules. Let's visualize this reaction with a diagram. We start with 2 sodium atoms and 1 chlorine molecule. These react to form 2 sodium chloride molecules. And that's how we balance the chemical equation for the reaction between sodium and chlorine to form sodium chloride. Remember, the key is to ensure that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the equation. Thanks for watching.